So hey guys, welcome back to another crypto trader video. In this video we are going to be analyzing BTC chart and try to figure out what's going on, what's going to happen next. Also we'll mark out some key levels for BTC to play out, like from where we have to buy and where we have to sell. So before we get right into this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and I would be covering some of the altcoins in the next videos, so make sure to drop your favorite altcoin in the comment section so that I can cover it as well. So now let's play that beautiful intro. So starting from 19th May, we had this deadly crash over here, which brought us down to about 30k, and then prices shot up quite quickly. Like we see a recovery to around 37k, and people were quite optimistic that we will touch our new all-time highs once again, but that never happened. After that, like we had a retest of about 41k, and then we dropped down again, and we kept forming lower highs. For those who don't know what lower highs means, let me explain it to you. Like for example, like prices fall from here till here, so like it fell from like 45k to 37k, so this is one like drop, and then we rose back to like 41k, and then we dropped again, and then we shot up till like 40k. So as you can see, like this was a high made and this was a high made, but we were not able to clear, like break this high. So this, like, so we made a lower high. Like see, the size of the means the height of this is bigger than this, so this is called a lower high. So now, like, we kept forming lower highs over here, and then we like formed a downward trend over here. So basically we can draw out a trend line like from here till here, and then from here to here. So basically this is the like the slanting resistance we have over here. As you can see, like prices came, tested, and then fall back again. So like what happened then, we kept forming lower highs, and then we finally broke out, and then we touched this about 42k zone. So and then we fell from here, so thus forming our horizontal resistance over here. So then once we fell, we came back here, tested this 30k. So once the test was done, we were able to draw this lower support, lower like this slanting support, and like we were already testing these ranges. So we can also conclude this happened to be the support for the Bitcoin. And like on 22nd of June, we had this like price drop below the 28k, and people were extremely scared over here. Buying pressure came in quickly, and we closed above the 30k support. And from this huge wick, we can also like conclude that some big player might have taken some entry over here, as the volume was quite high. Then prices went up again to hit this resistance, and then we fall back. Thus it gave us an early sign that we might be forming up a double bottom over here. And then like we formed like when we were here. So and then we finally like confirmed the pattern, double bottom pattern over here, and then we broke out. And we can also see that we have this falling wedge pattern over here. So yeah, generally what happens is when there is a falling wedge like this, so basically price comes in this range, they came consolidate over here, and then we finally break a retest, and then we move up. So if we like consider this to be a falling wedge, and then this is the breakout, and then we might retest, and then we may go up. So what I'm expecting next is like we had a clear breakout of the trend line and the resistance we had at 35k. So what I'm expecting is some kind of retrace to these 35k level, and once we do a retest, we'll be looking for some buying strength to kicking over there, which should take us straight to maybe 30 from here to like these ranges of 39 to 40k. So we can place some buy orders over here around some 35k and take profit target around 39k zone. Another scenario which might play out here is that we might have this false breakout over here, like this like the previous time we had here, and we just might fall back in the downward trend, retest this, and then again retest the 30k support. So yeah, mostly I'm looking for buys over here. I don't expect it to go down here, and then selling over here for the short term. And for the mid term, you can aim this 48k and these 58k targets as well. So that's all for today's video, guys. Also, don't forget to check out the description for the cool stuff. Till then, stay safe, trade safe. Have a great day. Bye bye.